Okay, so tell me about your YouTube channel name. I want to search.
My YouTube channel name is Practice English Rapidly.
English?
Practice English Rapidly.
Okay. Give me a second. Practice. Practicing rapidly YouTube. So, hey Kumar, just tell me, how is going your life recently? Everything is fine?
Everything is fine, dude. And yeah, I'm having
Okay.
to do hard working.
Mm-hmm.
Otherwise, everything is good.
Okay, okay. I have a question for you. So,
Mm-hmm.
can you tell me a little bit about your lifestyle? I see your background a lot of tree and nature area. Also, you say you work hard. So,
Mm-hmm.
and also you start your YouTube channel. What is the biggest dream in your life you want to achieve? And what type of content right now you make for your YouTube channel?
Okay, I usually make first English conversation video on my YouTube channel, and sometimes I
Mm-hmm.
personally give advice to people who are learning English by themselves.
Okay,
Yeah,
perfect.
because I have
Yeah,
learned
when
and improved this language by myself, and still I'm learning it by
mm,
myself. I don't take
okay,
help of any
okay.
teacher.
Mm. So, how much time do you spend per day improve your communication skill and just for video editing, everything?
Okay, I think I spend on video editing half an hour, 45
Mm,
minutes. But yeah, I spend
yeah.
talking with people 1 hour, 1.5 hour every single day. This is my fixed time.
Mm,
Come rain
okay,
and shine,
perfect.
I
So,
talk with people 1 hour.
yeah, yeah. To be honest, I appreciate, man. You just start your something like own, so already work hard.
Mm-hmm.
When you have a good number, good amount of user or YouTube follower, you gotta just teach young generation something. You live in India, so we are Asian, Bangladesh, India, Pakistan, a lot of gap for English communication skill. So if you want to be honest, if you want to work with them or this industry or these skills, you have a lot of chance. Also
Mm,
make money, also learning perspective. It's true.
yeah. So kindly, could you please tell me about yourself in a nutshell?
Okay. Basically, I'm a designer. We are starting agency. It's a greater software agency. It's a Bangladeshi based agency. Our operation, everything just handled by Bangladesh. We are based on UK,
All
so
right.
LLC based. So I'm a designer basically. I have a 3 years experience. I design mobile application, website, and product. But right now I'm
Mm-hmm.
switching my career, design to sales. So next 4 or 5 years, I want to become a good seller, and
Okay.
I want to sell my company service with foreigner client. So let's see. So right now my big dream right now, just I want to improve my communication skill,
All right.
speak like a native, and convince foreigner client.
Right.
That's it.
You want to
For
become a
make big amount money in my life.
you want to become a top-notch speaker. Want to become
No, I'm a not a speaker. I
uh,
have a basic, so I try to improve my communication skill. So
yeah.
I just want to say you,
Mm-hmm.
I speak last 2 months around 50 or 60 people on 20 country plus. So you are a really good people, good person. You have a nice smile. I love that. So you need to build confidence. When you talk with someone, you need
Mm-hmm.
to build confidence. When you trust yourself, you can achieve everything. Nobody gets you, man. Nobody gets you.
Mm. Thank you for giving me this advice.
Okay, thank you so much. So can I see around your background? Basically, I like that.
Okay, you like definitely I will show you.
Okay, yeah. Because to be honest, it's totally silent area, man. No noise, no car sound, no
Yeah,
traffic.
it is
Yeah,
it is complete. It is downright desolation area. Nobody comes.
yeah.
Yeah.
So we have no time. Thank you so much for your time. I appreciate that, man.
Okay.
Carry on.